Hello guys, let us talk about the differences between Spring and Spring Boot application. One more important interview question. Spring is an open source lightweight framework widely used to develop the enterprise application, whereas Spring Boot is built on the top of the Spring framework, which is widely used to develop the REST APIs. The second difference is Spring helps to create a loosely coupled application. So the key feature is dependency injection here. In addition to that, Spring Boot supports auto configure feature and helps to build standalone applications. Auto configure means it automatically configures the application based on the dependencies that you added. And whereas standalone means you can run the application on any machine without adding any settings or configurations. The third difference I can say here is we need to set the configurations for the server, and also we need to add the plugins explicitly for the Spring framework. Whereas Spring Boot, it provides the embedded servers such as Tomcat and Jetty, and also it has plugins set up like Maven and Gradle. No need to add those plugins. But in Spring, we need to add those configurations. So if you want to run the same application in Spring Boot, takes very lesser time because no need to add any configurations, right? And finally, let's talk about the code perspective. In Spring Framework, we need to add more boilerplate code, like more methods needs to be added, and also need to add XML configurations and all. Whereas in Spring Boot, we no need to add lot of code, means we can reduce the boilerplate code using some annotations, and also no need to add XML configurations as well. So I can conclude these four are some of the key differences between Spring and Spring Boot. Thanks for watching.